Wel, mae'n ddiwrnod iechyd meddwl ar draws y byd heddiw ac mae'n bwysig defnyddio y diwrnod yma i atgoffa pobl pam i bod hi yn allweddol am bod ni'n buddsoddi yn y gofal iechyd meddwl gorau posib. Today is World Mental Health Day, and we really need to remind people on this day why this is such a priority. In last week's pre-budget agreement announced between Plaid Cymru and the Labour government, Plaid Cymru prioritised extra funding for mental health care. There'll be £40 million extra to be spent over the next 2 years, and we know that this money is really needed. I hope, for example, that this can be used to strengthen mental health care for young people in particular. Last year's budget deal also saw Plaid Cymru prioritising help for people with eating disorders. But it's not just about the money, it's also about raising awareness. Mae problemau iechyd meddwl yn effeithio, da ni'n gwybod, ar lawer iawn o bobl, un o bob 4 o bobl o bosib. Felly gadwch i ni gofio yma ym Mewn a gweddill Cymru pam bod rhaid buddsoddi a pam bod rhaid codi ymwybyddiaeth. Mae hwn yn fater sy'n wir yn flaenoriaeth i fi ag i Blaid Cymru.